Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your settings. Having opened up your settings, next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to about phone. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here until you get to build number. So tap on build number 7 times. Now you'll be asked to enter your security lock pattern. Then hit enter. And you are now a developer. It's that simple. After you successfully activate your developer mode, next thing you need to do is to go back and go ahead and click on settings again. The next thing you need to do is to click on search setting right here. Then you have to type in developer. Then hit on search. And here we go. Next thing you need to do is to click on developer options. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and make sure you look for automatic system update. Apply update when device restarts. Click on that. So each time you restart your Redmi Android phone, the update will be effect and your phone system performance is going to boost. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.